Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be trying out these two new products from Althea. I have just cleansed my skin, nothing on my face right now. So I thought it would be a great chance for me to try out the two new products from Althea. One is the WATERFUL Green Bamboo Pad. Gives you like a quick moisture boost. Again, behind is all Korean. I have to go and check back the email to be able to find out what does it do and how to use it, okay? These are very new, okay? They just arrived today and I really just want to get it out there. So at first I thought I want to do like it separately, but then I thought, you know what, I actually do need like a toner and a moisturizer at the same time, so might as well just try them both in the same video. And then sorry, I haven't introduced you the other one yet. This one is the Skin Relief Calming Cream. This one is supposed to have like vitamins in it, and it's like a very moisture soothing care kind of a ingredients in there, and I'm very excited. Probably you can't tell. I love skincare more than makeup. I love makeup, but I somewhat kinda it's like skincare a little bit more. So I think, I don't know, it's just something about me, okay? Plus the ingredients actually seems pretty good. It just feels like both has like very moisture boosting kind of effect to it, or properties, and also very like skin calming. So it's really good for like sensitive, and also, okay, I can't say for sensitive skin because I wouldn't say that I have sensitive skin, but it's really good for those people with dry skin. So I really hope this will be suitable. The product inside, I open for you. I'm gonna start with the WATERFUL Green Bamboo pads first. They have a sticker here, which is great. It kind of tells you that this is a really new product. Maybe 30 days unconditional return guarantee. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, it's not because of the color in there. I mean, the color looks really good. I love this like really nice pastel-y green color, but oh my gosh, check this out, guys. Check this out. They finally printed some English on the box itself. I'm like doing this because the mic is here. We don't get English in Althea product, okay? I mean, this is a real step up, guys. Good job, guys. Oh my gosh, yes. I was already actually very prepared. Okay, I have my phone here. I already opened the app. Sorry, not the app, the email, you know, to tell you the ingredients and whatever that is. I already prepared because I kind of have a feeling that, you know, they never print out the English thing on the product itself, so who knows? Good job, Althea. So proud of you guys. So nice. As I mentioned, packaging is just very nice. It's just very simple but very nice. That's one of the things that attracted me to it, not just because it's Althea. Just pretty much I want to try every Althea thing if I can. They also give it a gap thong, a clear plastic thong, which I will zoom in for you guys later. The pads are actually made with EWG green ingredients. I have no idea what EWG is. Please go and research it, Google it first. So it's infused with bamboo extract that's packed with mineral and amino acid to deeply moisturize dry complexion. Yes. Easy to use, quick hydration pads. Keep the skin hydrated, radiant, and healthy. Great. So direction, it kind of shows you how to use. There's a two-way to use it. One is as a toner pad. Basically, just wipe all over your face. That's like a toner pad, okay? But if you want to use it as a mask pad, you can too. For a more concentrated dose of hydration, place the pad on targeted areas on the skin. Allow it to sit for 10 to 15. Oh my gosh. I actually had to allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I never thought of it. I thought I'm just gonna zoom very fast, and then I can just move on to the moisturizer. Never mind. We're gonna try this. Remove, then gently pat the remaining product into the skin until fully absorbed. Oh, yes, I'm excited. There's a white plastic in there. Gonna open this up as well. Gonna use the gap to try to get one out. It's a very thin sheet. It's like the wire gauze that you use to kind of for your wound one, that kind of gauze looking kind of thing. So they don't tell me how many pads to use. I'm just gonna assume. I'm just gonna put one here. It smells a little bit like clinical, a little bit, not very strong. Can I tear it off? Let me see if I can tear it off. Oh my gosh, it's so strong. Oh, never mind. It's actually quite strong for a very thin sheet. It really takes a lot of energy and effort for me to try to tear them off. So I would say that it's a pretty good quality kind of pad. But what I want to do is I do want to tear them off. you know what, wipe all of my face first. Do my nose here like that, because my nose needs hydration too, okay? Just gonna do one here. There you go. Because my chin also needs hydration. Same lah. So I'm gonna leave this for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Yeah, they never tell me how many pads. Just place pads on targeted areas. All these are targeted areas, yes. The entire face is my targeted areas. If I can, I'm just gonna apply here also. Don't laugh. This thing is coming off already. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes and none of these pads actually feel dry or anything. It just feels like they are actually still wet. Sticks on my skin actually pretty well, I would say, other than the bottom part here. If I don't talk, it actually sticks quite well. It's just that because I'm talking right now, so it kind of drops a little bit, but other than that, it really sticks on my skin super well because of how thin the pads are. It is actually quite refreshing. I wouldn't say that they have like that kind of cooling feeling on the face or anything. If you are in an aircon room, it will feel like it's cooling, but it's actually not. It's just the aircon on like wet products. But other than that, it smells, I wouldn't say what exactly it is. It has that little bit of orange extract plus lavender extract kind of scent. It's not super strong either. You have to get up close to it to really be able to smell the scent. But it's a very pleasant kind of scent. It's nothing like unpleasant or anything. It feels good on my skin. It feels like it's hydrating. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to like stick all of them together and I'm gonna wipe it all over my face. And my ears, the back of my ears, my neck. Hydrate your neck as well because your neck is just as important, your décolletage. And then if you can, just apply on your arms as well. Don't waste, okay? A lot of times I tone my face, I also tone my entire body when technically. Just now from here, I see the juice in there. It's literally just like a water-based kind of toner. So it's not a very thick consistency kind of toner. It's just that because I use a lot, so it's like, you know, when you use the 7-layer of toner kind of feeling, it feels like that. It has that kind of effect and it kind of gives my skin a little bit of that glow, which is very, very nice. It does feel like it has somewhat of a layer on the skin. It leaves a little bit of that residue, which is not a bad thing. I enjoy, dry skin people enjoy that kind of feeling, but it's not sticky, it's not oily. Feels good on the face. It's actually quite nice, this bamboo thing. You have that extra 10 minutes to spare before makeup. Do this, do the mask thing. It's actually really good for your skin, okay? I really thoroughly enjoy them. It feels good. I don't know how much is this. You can actually go check out in the description box below. I'll leave it there. Moving on. We will be trying out their Skin Relief Calming Cream. Oh my gosh, this one, no. This one got no English at all. No. Althea, don't be inconsistent, please. Thank you. The theme is actually more of like a summer kind of theme. That's why they came up with these two products. It's really just in conjunction with summer. It is like a soothing facial cream to hydrate and restore skin from damage caused by irritation and harmful external pollutants. Soothe sensitive skins and reduce skin damage to reveal revitalized skin, suitable for dry and irritated skin. So this one, it has like a seawater that's packed with natural minerals, contain anti-aging properties for a radiant glow. Panthenol absorbs into the skin, keeps hydrated, soothe while strengthening the skin barrier. Okay, oh look at that. I mean, look at the basicness and the prettiness of this product itself. Open up that what's this called? Aluminium foil thingy cover. Oh shit. No, I missed! JQ, can you please stop missing? There you go. That's a lot of cream actually. It smells very similar to the bamboo thing. Very, very just light hint of like orange and lavender extract, but a little bit more orange extract. Feels more like a gel cream, not really a cream consistency. It's actually too much. Don't follow me. I just kind of tend to apply a little bit more just to show you guys how the consistency is and the product and stuff like that. But that's a lot. Oh my god, it's actually a pretty thick cream. Can you see? Apply the rest on my arms first. Oh my god, it is actually quite thick. Like after I kind of apply on my face, like on my palms just now, it doesn't feel thick at all. Whoa, it's actually quite thick. It feels quite heavy. You remember the Althea first set of skincare? I will actually link it somewhere here or in the description box below. That one, that their cream, their fixer cream, it's very, I would say, not creamy enough for me, I feel. Yeah, it's really not cream. That is more of like a gel kind of texture. So it's very lightweight. So this one has a little bit more of a weight to it. It feels so good on the skin, my gosh. Can you see how glowing my skin is right now? Okay lah, there's a lighting here lah, but I mean in person also. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Definitely squeeze out way too much. You only need a little bit, so I'm gonna apply it on my neck and my arm, but it really absorbs completely into the skin. It has a little bit of that creamy feeling. It feels a little bit creamy. Okay, it's not oily, it's just very creamy. No, it has that vitamin C kind of smell. That's why it smells like orange. It absorbs immediately into the skin, but at the same time have that kind of like layer to protect my skin. Yes, this is gonna be my new favorite cream. It has calming properties. I don't know about that because my skin wasn't really inflamed or anything. If it's for like summer, I kind of do think that it's a little bit thick for summer. It's a little bit heavy for summer. So you really don't need a lot. Just use a little bit. How many ml is this? 80 ml in this. But just now was really way too much. You just need a tiny bit and you apply entire skin. It's way enough already. I believe this can even be used for the winter as well because of how thick it feels on the skin. Actually, how like moisturizing and hydrating it feels on the skin. So you really don't need a lot. If you have like oily skin type, I think you can skip this. Please don't use this. Just use the bamboo one enough. But if you have like dry skin type, you will absolutely love this. Just don't use a lot. You really don't need a lot. At night, if you're sleeping in an aircon room, right? This will be perfect as well. Alrighty then, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. I hope you're going to like the new Althea product as well. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments down below. How do you like their new skincare products? Thank you so much for watching. If you need any information, check out the description box below. Everything will be there. See you guys next time. Bye bye. I love this cream. It's so nice, the cream. Oh my gosh, for dry skin people, yes, I do think I applied a little bit too much just now, but it is amazing, the cream, amazing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.